Hey, this is Kurt the Boat Doctor. It's chilly willy out here today. By golly, I should run her up on the beach there and run into Toyota for a few minutes. Anyway, we're out here in this guy's 20-foot Seahawk. Actually, it does a lot better than what I thought as far as handling the jet. So we know that. Now the power, yeah, it will work. It will get you up the rapids. But it's just like if you took this boat and you put like 5 people in it with a prop on it, it's gonna, you know, it's gonna do it, but you're gonna work it. And it's still gonna be about 35 miles an hour. This is about probably 25 to 28 miles an hour. Now 150 would have been probably ideal for this boat. Because again, when you put a jet, you lose a lot of power. I do have some tricks to show you. Now I was running against the current initially, and that's what you probably want to do, and I'm going to try it with the current right now. So I'm going to trim this up. I use your trim tabs, are all the way up right now. I'm going to go ahead and trim the main motor all the way down right there. Okay, now I'm going to try it with the current and see what difference it makes. So trim tabs all the way up, trim on the motor all the way down, and it could be raised a little bit, but I don't think it's really gonna, I can do more with my trim than I could, I think, if I raised it, because you might blow out on a turn. So anyway, I'm gonna hit it right now, right here. 1001, 1000.